Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today I'm going to show you my live trading. Today market opened huge gap up and stay on positive side almost the whole day. Lot of people they have bought around here. And yes, the market once it's open gap up then those guys they will be in a good profit. So majority they think that those guys they will exit or they will book the profit. So right after market open, especially retail, they short the market because they think that those guys who have bought the market yesterday they will book their profit. So if those guys book the profit then the market will fall. So retail retains that. So after seeing this first candle, the red candle, retail they short the market because they think that the market will fall down. So this is what retail most of the time they get trapped. But we have to think in a different perspective way. We have to play against retail people. So if retail lose then we will win, right? I mean like new beginners they will lose, then experienced traders they will win or they will make money. So guys, I take call option today morning. After seeing this red candle, I take call option because I know that the market will go up. Why? You know that yesterday a lot of people they short the market. A lot of them, a lot of option seller they short the market. Means they sell call option because they think that the market won't take it out this 15,800, this 15,750, this 15,850. So they short all those call option, these guys, because they think that the market won't cross this. So they short. But what happened? Today the market opened huge gap up. So those option sellers, weak option sellers who short the market, they will face huge loss today morning because the market open huge gap up. So those guys they have to cover up their position or they have to square up their position. So if those guys square up their position, then the market continue to go up, continue to go up. So that's the main point. And second point is those retail who short the market here also, they have hit their stop loss. So that's why I take this call option today morning, this 15,750. Second thing is, yeah, those retail who have loss in the morning, what will be happen? They saw that the market going up, going up. So they keep on buying call option because they think that the market will go up. Yeah, maybe some of them they short the market, some of them they bought the market, but majority they will go long today because yesterday also they see this up move, huge up move. So they think that the market cannot go up every day, right? Cannot trending on the upside every day. Market has to fall, has to go up, and so on. It's like that. It's going up, fall down, going up, fall down. It's always like that. So we have to understand the behavior of the market. So we cannot just go long every day, nor we cannot just short the market every day. So we have to understand the behavior of the market. So what I did, why I take that put option just now, because I know that a lot of retail they are going long because they see this up move in the morning. So I know retail they will just follow. Once they see green candle they will go long, once they see red candle they will short. So I know these guys who going long over here, they are only retail people. So they will keep the stop loss around this area. So once their stop loss hit, then I know that the market will fall. So I short the market from this area only, and my stop loss is above the entry price, which is almost around 15 points, 15-20 points, because I know the retail they will keep the stop loss over here. So once the market hit their stop loss, then it will fall down. See guys, I take position on Nifty Bank. Yeah, I short Nifty Bank, but based on Nifty chart. So if you take trade either in Nifty Bank or in Nifty, it doesn't matter. But I used to follow only Nifty chart. Most of the time, both of them they are going in the same direction only. Guys, see the market is almost hit the stop loss of retail. Around here only the stop loss of retail, they will keep around here only. Once the market hit, it will fall down. Guys, you can see that I'm running in a small losses, but I'm still holding my position because I know that the market will fall. And market is still in my direction, or market is still in my favor. So I'm not going to exit. But retail, what they did, once they saw they are running in the small losses, they keep on waiting and hoping. But what we did as an experienced trader, if the market play against us, and once we are in a small losses, we use to exit as soon as possible. But today I'm not going to exit because the market is not yet hit my stop loss, and it's still in our direction or in our area only. So I will wait for the market to hit my stop loss or to hit my target. In market, you cannot predict each and every move, so don't jump nor don't catch each and every move in stock market. Remember that, guys. Okay, so in stock market, try to take trade only once or twice in a day is more than enough for you to make a small amount of money, like I did. See, guys, these are the retail only. They keep on buying because they see this green candle, so they thought the market will go up. Because today morning also, from this area only, market goes up. So they thought that the market will go up from this, but that is not going to be happen. I know that for sure the stop loss will get hit because retail or new babies, they don't understand the behavior of the market. So guys, in stock market, you have to give times no matter what. So see, guys, this is what we call right patient. In this trade, I risked 500 rupees for a profit of 1500 rupees. And as long as the market stay in your favor or in your direction, so wait until your target hit. Don't exit, nor don't be afraid. But what retail do? If they show small profit, they book quickly or they book as soon as possible. But once they are in losses, they keep on waiting and keep on holding. So guys, remember that try to maximize your profit and minimize your losses. Experienced trader, they always do this. Once they are in a losses, they exit as soon as possible. But once they are in a profit, they keep on waiting, they keep on holding, they keep on trailing their stop loss. At least if the market is trading against them also, then they won't face any losses, but they will exit in a cost price. So guys, as you can see now that I'm already in a profit of 1:3, so I'm going to exit from this position. Done. See, I made a profit of 2000, almost 2300, right? So it's a good risk reward. I risked 500 rupees for a profit of 2000. So 1:4. So this is how you have to trade, guys. Okay. Hello guys. Now since the market is already closed, and I'm going to show you what happened in the market today. Once the market hit the stop loss of retail, it will fall. And exactly it happened. Market, it's fall. So guys, we have to understand the behavior of the market. And today I make a profit of 4762 rupees. And bye.